Yeah, family, this is the kids in the beach. And them have on them floater, so they cannot sink, you see? They have the floater, yeah. This actually Miss Amesh. This Miss Amesh. Next time we'll come in with Amesh. Yeah. As you can see, girls, the kids them swimming there and stuff, playing and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. But don't worry, Amish will be here soon. And just imagine how that water is actually warm. Yeah. If you're ready for the summer, let's go. Shout it out and let me know. Girl, everywhere we go. Yeah, family, so we're actually on our way to the beach. We're almost there. And even the security know about the secret spot.
Secret spot.
The secret spot. If you want to go to, when you come to Hotel Vadi. Hotel Vadi is where you go for the beach. There's a lot of people around there too.
Yeah?
Where people are exercising and things.
Yeah.
But this is not where them is. It's not our spot.
No, our spot was here.
Where it is? Ah, it's down there.
No, our spot was here.
Oh, it's right there, yeah.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, right there, yeah. No, it wasn't here. Okay. So family, we kind of mix up the spot. Some guy exercising out there, as you can see.
But it's not like this, that's it?
Yeah, we never have this a dirty spot there. Some suspect guy. So I think
It was here.
it was here?
So, how did it get so dirty?
No, sweetie, I think it was all the way over there, sweetie.
Where? No, it was here because it was here. Oh, maybe the water has.
No, sweetie, but it can't so quick.
It can't you see where it had reached? Look, in the morning.
Eh?
And then I was telling him maybe we can go up to that place to hide like that place. Right?
So it was where?
It's here. You can't remember when I told you let's swim up to that store. This was the last store.
Or maybe it's these things that come here so maybe recently or something.
No, maybe they were this water had come all the way up to here. You can't remember?
Oh yeah. Guy. So the water actually go down?
Yeah.
Guy. Also, I can't believe this. Yeah. Guy? I enjoy the water or something.
No, maybe the water is.
It's up, yeah. Well, let's walk over there. All the way up.
We go there.
Yeah.
So you go and swim?
So you now want to swim too? I'll go swim right there.
Remove my clothes then.
So you don't want to remove your clothes?
Well, I want, but I can't wait in front of people. Right.
Alright, we can just go right here, sweetie. Let's go right here.
So then I have to change now. Come and hold the lesson for me to change.
Okay.
Get me to change and then you have to Oh, it's too much. You get?
Yeah.
Because I can remember that time when we were swimming, it was like here and I was telling you let's go up to that stone.
Yeah, oh yeah. Wow.
The water was actually here and you can see it, right?
God. Let me feel if it's warm. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. You don't want to go back. Yeah, families, as you can see, people exercising. So you see, you're not going back. You're not going back in. It's a stone from Ghana. Picking up stone to bring back to Kenya. Bring stone from Kenya, from Ghana. Now we're bringing stone from Kenya.
nice. Look at this.
Yeah.
So I have stuff from Atlantic.
Yeah. Now we're picking stone from Indian.
Wow.
From Indian Ocean family. More?
No, like to. I know tomorrow we have time.
Yeah. So we don't feel like going in the water because too much people is here. So because of people who don't want to go into the water, guys, the sun is there. Peace, love, and sunlight, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. Get your merch from our website. The link is actually below. The store is on YouTube. Check it out and get your merch. Get your merch.
Like this one's are nice, they're not broken.
Yeah.
Wow.
Seashells. We have to go to Seychelles, sweetie. Seashells.
Wow.
Since you're picking up seashells,
Yeah, look
we have to go to Seychelles.
seashells. Collect seashells. Wow. Those are much prettier. I can go with you.
Yeah, family. So this is the end of today's vlog.
You see the water?
Guy,
This thing. Yes, they were I was wondering.
how it looks so. Alright. Yeah, family. This is the end of the vlog. Please like, share, and comment. Let us know your thoughts on this vlog. So one here, sweetie. Look at this one. This one.
Wow.
Sweetie, that's enough now. We don't want to make the luggage overweight. Yeah. Yeah, family, so like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know what if you like the Jam Tours vlogs. More to come from every city in Africa. We plan to visit every city in Africa. Yeah, because Jam Tours is the real tours. One day you'll be touring with Jam Tours. So guys, like, share, and comment on the video. One love, peace, love, God bless, Jamaica. We are out. Hey family, so Miss Jam Tours is actually in her swimsuit. That's Miss Jam Tours. So you want to go inside the water? Miss Jam Tours. Miss Jam Tours in her swimsuit. Family, so we actually catching the sunset. We just want to make this vlog for you. So if you like, share, and if you comment and give the video a like, Jam Tours will get more view, and then we'll be excited to come to different cities in Africa to show you. So like, share, comment on the video, and we'll show you the sunset at Zanzibar. Long as Zanzibar, we're there. We out, one love, God bless, Jamaica. Family, so we're coming back from the beach. We just want to take a view of this. It's nice, but as you can see, family, you have people who actually living in this yacht. As you can see,
It's a small little thing.
yeah, it's a small thing, but yeah,
Like, it's the whole family.
it's the whole family.
Mother, two children, the dad.
Yeah, but when you have a yacht, you can just come and dock it off any seashore. You can spend a week, a month, and then maybe you can even come and rent it too. Yeah, but as you know, like backpacker, people who backpack a lot, they can actually do this. Because it's somebody here living, and them actually, washing their clothes and actually combing them here
Even shower.
and showering and stuff. So, you know what I mean?
Wait, not even two children.
Yeah, the entire family. The entire family is their family. So as you can see, yeah. Yeah, and that's the thing. You just when you're on an island, it's so easy to live. I think maybe him just do it to actually, it's like a business for him. Like him get like business to go out to Prison Island and stuff. And maybe him just coming from work. But those people actually live. They actually live in it.
There's actually a stroller in the car. You can see it. Where that is behind that car.
Ah, yeah, there's a stroller. So imagine you just come out and just walk the island and just, you know, relax yourself and eat food and then yeah guys, so it's just island life. Island life and the vibe is right. So the name of this is actually Lady Blue. Lady Blue. So sweetie, would you live like that? Run on a yacht?
I'd like to have one, but not
So what did you? You love
I don't like to live it like I'm sweeping up myself.
I'm sure maybe it's just for the experience, sweetie, because maybe they have their house in Europe.
I know, I understand.
And then just come here, whatever, to live this life.
But I wouldn't.
It's like van life, but this is yacht life.
No, I don't want to.
Van life. You don't want van life?
I don't want to live this life. I want to be in that big mansion.
And come out for vacation 2 weeks, months, and go back home.
Yeah. If I have to live this way, fine, I can. But only with you, not with the kids there. I mean, you know a kid now. They want to be jumpy and all that. And then now we are on top of water. So. Yeah. But it's good because they're just here next. At least they can come in the hotel, isn't it? To walk if they feel like. But to each his own. I'm just saying it on my what?
And your own opinion.
My own opinion. Look, like I'm in the comment section, say, hey, you say your own, I say my own.
Everybody's like different.
No,
imagine you have like how much billion people on there? 7 billion, 8 billion, and everybody's different, sweetie.
Can I surprise you? There's
So just imagine.
Imagine like the house we're living in right now. See, you see the one we were living before we shifted. I still feel like this one is small.
Yeah.
I know I feel like I'm not using sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, because the living room in the other one was big. The house was spacious. I'm not saying it's small, but I think the other one was much spacious than this one. So now you can imagine bringing me in a small people.
Yeah. Yes, family, so we're just walking back to the hotel. I just want to make you this vlog.
This barbecue.
Oh, what they have barbecue outside, eh?
Yeah.
That's what they say?
Hey, they do the every evening in the house.
Ah.
We checked them.
Okay. But you know, guys, we just eat breakfast at the hotel and dinner outside. And then we get fruits.
Much nice because you get quite a wide
variety of the food.
of what you want.
I know the hotel has to cook for like international people. So you don't actually get to taste the local cuisine. Yeah.
The hotel is like much mostly catering for.
Yeah.
You say it as it is. These people, right?
Yeah.
So do you want to taste Zanzibar local food?
You have to come out on the street side. Imagine if we're staying at the hotel, we wouldn't get to find that lychee guinea.
Yeah. Yeah, you won't find lychee guinea, you won't know the places.
Yeah.
And then you see those little stretches we are doing on food.
Yeah.
Going with matatu and everything.
Yeah.
I think water in the morning is very high. Is it a bit and that?
Yeah, it's go down. Yeah. And come back down. Yeah. I look.
You can see the water is still in the morning.
I look out there. If out there was a little bit bigger than that.
Wow, yeah.
Go all the way down now. Yeah.
Even there we were surprised. We almost got lost. We didn't realize that.
Yeah. What kind of dance is that? What kind of dance is that, sweetie? Is that butterfly dance? Yeah.
What kind of dance is that?
Yeah, family, like, share and comment. Let us know your thoughts on the video. It's dinner time on the hotel. We eat already. Gonna take a shower and relax and wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow.
I think it's because I'm hearing Nigerian songs. So you know how they dance.
That's Nigerian song. This is how Nigerian dance. You see it?
There's the way they shake it.
This is how they dance.
Why am I holding my watch? Instead of this?
Yeah, family, like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know your yeah. Miss Jam Tours is dancing. Miss Jam Tours is in the mood. Miss Jam Tour.
Let's go.
Miss Jam Tour. Miss Jam Tour. Miss Jam Tour. Alright, family, like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Subscribe. Tell your friend to tell a friend that Jam Tours is actually in Africa. And if you want to see Africa, then you need to subscribe to Jam Tours. You want to see it on the TV. You see it on the TV. You only can see it. You only can see it on Jam Tour Africa. You only see this at Jam Tour. When you're with Jam Tour, that's the only way you'll see this. So subscribe, share, comment, let us know your thoughts, and let us know. This is Zanzibar Hotel Vad, and it feel like Madame Yard. I'm out. One love. God bless. Jamaica.